Here I have SONY Xperia Z3, and let me show you how to enter the safe mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, choose restart and wait until the Sony logo pops up on the screen. And then you have to start holding volume down. So let's be prepared. Now you have to start holding volume down and keep holding this volume down key through the whole time. Keep holding volume down, don't let go of this key. And that's it. Now you can release volume down. As you can see right here on the screen, the device is in safe mode, so you can unlock your device and use your phone without any third-party applications, so you can see how your device perform without the applications. And if you would like to restart and boot your device into a normal mode, let's just press the power key, choose restart, and now the device is quitting the safe mode and entering the normal mode, so you have to wait a couple of seconds. Excellent, now you can unlock the screen and start using your device in a normal way. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.